I'm Harshita, and today I'm here to give presentation on the topic sports value of sports to building our character. So, firstly, I want to say it sports is the foremost thing for our physical growth in our life. So, if we go for the characteristics, I would like to mention few things like first the discipline. Sports taught us the discipline that we should always work for our lifetime in any field, doesn't matter whoever and whatever the work is. The second is the time management. We learn time management through sports a lot, like we have the limit to play a sports, any sports. I am talking about the any sports. We have the time limit, so we are developing our mind to make work on it, that how will I manage my time to work on it. The third thing I want to mention is the teamwork. If we don't know how will I work in teamwork, I do work individually, what will the outcome will be. We are living in the society that we need to learn how to do a teamwork, that we all can do the things together without any conflict. The fourth thing I would like to mention, that is leadership potential, that we lead that leads our life ahead forward, and build a very strong characteristics in our life, that we can do anything. If we don't have the leadership potential, even after having the knowledge of all the things, we can't lead, we can't guide to anyone, even ourselves too. If we don't know how to work, then what will you do in your life, in our life? So sports are the foremost and very important things for our physical growth, as well as indirectly it affects on our mind growth too, our mental ability, and it also is at last in conclusion I want to conclude it on the topic, our ability and strength. The capacity it increases by the sports, it's just incredible. We can see through our personality, through our characteristics, it helps to build a very strong characteristics. So this is my point. Thank you.
Hello. My question is that lots of people go in sports and for earning, for build their career, but there are lots of cases we hear that doesn't do anything. What about?
Yes.
Thank you for your question. As I never mentioned in my presentation that it is for earning purpose. I said about the characteristics it build and the personality, and as you said about the money build, I don't think so. For the sports it is needed. It is for your own self, for your own development and growth. Sports should be like that, and rather than you want to make it as a career, it's your option. You can build in any field, but do engage yourself in the sports as much as you can do.
By sports, you can say that physically you will be strong, mentally you will be strong. But according to me, yoga and meditation and lots of exercise also, it is not a part of sports.
Did I mention anywhere that sports is the only thing that helps you for your mental ability? It is about the characteristics and indirectly work for your mental things, and the meditation is the peace for your own self and soul.
Thank you.
Thank you for your all question.